Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to be a Shipt driver. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to get paid to shop and ship items. How do you actually go and sign up to be a driver? So the first thing that you're going to go to do is go into the App Store and download this app, Shipt Shopper and Driver. Now, after you go ahead and open it, we're going to go ahead and click on sign up. Click on continue, and then you're just going to go ahead and fill in all of these details that are blurred out. Now, once you go ahead and fill these details, click on get started, and then fill in your mailing info on this page here, then click on next, and then you need to go ahead and add your vehicle. So enter the year of your vehicle, then enter the make, then enter the model number, and click on save. Afterwards, click on next, and then you need to enter the type of work that you want to go ahead and do. So we're going to go ahead and certify that you're at least 18 years of age, then click on submit. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead and open up your email app. So we're going to go ahead and open up my email, and then it's going to ask you to set your Shipt password. So click on this, then go ahead and click on set password. Afterwards, set your password here. Now, after you reset your password, click on sign back in, and let's open up the Shopper app again. Now let's go ahead and log in using the information that you just created. Now it's going to ask you to verify your identity. Just enter the 6-digit code, and then go ahead, click on I understand and agree. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and set up all the notifications and location services. So you have a few steps left before you're ready to start as a shopper with Shipt. So click on continue, and then you need to fill out some basic requirements, identity verification, and acknowledgements. So basically just fill these answers for basic requirements for shopping. And then for identity verification, you're going to go ahead and consent, and it's going to ask you to take a picture of your ID. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording right now for a second. Now after you fill out that information, click on get started. And then here you just need to enter your social security number, date of birth, documents, bank information, and profile photo. Now, after you finish all these steps, your background check status is just going to be in progress. You should receive an email once this all pushes through, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign up with Shipt Delivery. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all